There's a saying that goes, "Don't be afraid of the storm. Be afraid of not learning how to sail." Life will test you, it will break you, and then it will rebuild you. Not because life wants to destroy you, but because every storm, every setback, every trial has a purpose. To shape you into someone stronger, wiser, and more unshakable than before. Along the way, you'll learn something important. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life, and that's okay. Some people are lessons, not lifetimes. Some people walk with you for a season, and some people walk away. But each one teaches you something about yourself, about trust, about resilience. And those lessons, they're priceless. Failure, it isn't the end. Failure is the doorway to growth. It's the teacher that reveals your weaknesses so you can turn them into strengths. Every no you've heard, every door that's closed in your face, every mistake you've made, they weren't meant to stop you. They were meant to prepare you. But here's where many people lose their way. Comparison. Comparison steals your joy, while gratitude multiplies it. Stop looking at what others have and start being grateful for what's already in your hands. When you shift your focus to gratitude, your whole world changes. Because peace is more valuable than money. Time is more precious than things. You can lose money and make it back. You can lose possessions and replace them. But once time is gone, it's gone forever. So don't waste your life worrying about tomorrow, because worry doesn't change the future. Action does. And here is the truth you've been overlooking. The strength you've been searching for. The strength you've been begging for. It has always been inside you. Not in someone else. Not in the world around you, but deep in your spirit, waiting for you to unlock it. You see, we often spend our lives seeking validation, approval, and love from external sources. We chase after fleeting pleasures and material possessions, thinking they will bring us happiness and fulfillment. But true strength comes from within. It's in your resilience, your ability to overcome challenges and keep moving forward. It's in your compassion, your empathy, and your willingness to help others. Real strength isn't about dominance or power over others. It's about self-mastery and the courage to be yourself, even when the world tries to break you. You have to realize that you are not weak. Your struggles are not a sign of weakness. They are the raw materials of your strength. Your scars, your pain, your failures, they are the stepping stones to your greatness. Don't let anyone, including yourself, define your worth based on external circumstances. You are valuable, you are strong, and you have the power to create the life you want. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. So keep going, keep learning, keep walking forward no matter how heavy your steps may feel. Because every step, every struggle, every scar, they are not signs of weakness. They are the lessons that shape the best version of you. And one day you'll look back, not at what broke you, but at how you refused to stay broken. That's the story of strength. That's the story of growth. That's the story of you. So walk on, because your journey is just getting started.